I guess you guys can hear the bird. Can you hear the bird? I can hear the bird. Bird's really bothering me, but we'll move forward. We know that the bird is doing its own thing and it doesn't need to bother me, but I hear it constantly. It might ruin the entire sound for the episode. Oh no! Yay! Ugh, my new apartment has a bird problem.
You like sushi?
Kevin. Fuck you, birds. Hey, birds! Not on my watch. Not on my freaking watch, birds. See, they keep going back and forth. Birds, birds, birds. They're always just like, beep, 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 beep. Hey, beep, 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 beep. Hey, beep, 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 beep. I'm a bird. Quit bragging, birds, and quit ruining my freaking audio. Nihilism.